And one of the things that we do is we, of course, get that information. We get the medical records and we see what type of an injury it was, where the fracture was, and we will always consult with the client's physician to find out what will happen in the future. For instance, will the client need further surgery either to continue to try to correct the problem or to remove the hardware that was placed initially? The other thing that we need to find out from the physician, and of course we do this before we even think about trying to resolve the case, because we need to evaluate the case again for what's going to happen in the future. We've tried to ascertain whether our client is going to develop arthritis at the fracture site in the future. Because even though the fracture may have currently healed and it was treated, and the client may not at that point in time be experiencing any pain or any difficulties, if in fact the fracture will lead to arthritis in the future, we can then anticipate they will then have pain in the future and disability in the future and may require additional care in the future to take care of the arthritis that developed at the fracture site. We need to find that out before we can advise our client how to settle the case. And what I mean by how is, what components should go into the settlement. And of course, if need be, to go to trial.